Hello, my name is Joth White, and I want to thank you for joining me today as we discuss the Lee & Associates of Eastern Pennsylvania's Q1 2021 Industrial Market Overview for the Philadelphia region. As we dive into the individual submarkets that entail the Philadelphia region, you can see that Central Pennsylvania, Lehigh Valley, and Northeastern Pennsylvania lead the pack in overall standing stock totals. Whereas when we look at vacancy rates, it's clear that Southern New Jersey and Delaware are by far the tightest submarkets in the region. As a whole, the Philadelphia region is the second largest industrial market in the country in regards to total inventory. While 2020 proved to be one of the most disruptive years in modern history, industrial demand shows no sign of slowing down, reaching 44 million square feet for Q1, another record high for the Philadelphia region. As the pandemic continues to accelerate the long-term trend of increased e-commerce, our region has seen a significant surge in the demand for industrial space, accounting for an additional 18 million square feet since Q1 of 2019. Northeastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh Valley, and Central Pennsylvania continue to be the most sought-after markets. With a monumental uptick in industrial demand, leasing activity, although down from last quarter, has remained strong, recording 5.4 million square feet of quarterly net absorption for Q1. When we take a closer look into how net absorption has performed on a historical basis, we can see that 2018 totaled 14.1 million square feet and 2019 totaled 14.2 million square feet, while 2020 totaled an astounding 30.3 million square feet of net absorption, more than the previous 2 years combined. With such a tremendous increase in leasing activity, much less during a global pandemic, you can be sure the trend will continue through the remainder of 2021. As the demand for industrial space increases and leasing activity remains strong, market-wide vacancy has followed suit, down 108 basis points from Q4 2020, reaching 5.46%. Much like vacancy, availability has also dropped 108 basis points from Q4 2020, standing at 7.88%. Although levels have remained fairly steady until now, we can assume the downward pressure will continue as we see an increase in occupier demand throughout the region. The Philadelphia regional industrial market continues to experience significant growth, with rolling construction weighing in at 34.8 million square feet, a 7.9 million square feet increase from a year prior. As the region records its highest rolling construction total to date, an impressive 13 million square feet is projected to be delivered by the end of Q2, with upwards of 24 million square feet projected to be delivered by year's end. With 34.4 million square feet of potential 2021 delivery in the form of approved site plans and graded pads, and an additional 89.1 million square feet actively pursuing entitlement, it would be no surprise if we continue to see record-breaking rolling construction totals for the coming quarters. Looking forward to the remainder of 2021, we anticipate stable or declining vacancy and increased rent growth as supply struggles to keep up with demand and strong leasing activity continues throughout the Philadelphia region. I want to thank you again for joining me today, and as always, please feel free to reach out to us at Lee & Associates of Eastern Pennsylvania, as it would be our pleasure to assist you with all of your real estate needs.